Hello, beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and I have a feel-good stretching routine for you today. I'm gonna walk through the steps with you, and then we're gonna do it together, holding each exercise for 30 seconds. All right, so first to start, we have the windmill. We're gonna start with our feet a little bit wider than hip width apart, so just a little bit more, and our arms open to the side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach our opposite hand to our opposite foot, so right to left, all right? And your other hand that is not reaching for the foot is gonna go straight back above you, like so. All right, and then we come up and we switch sides. Up, and then next side. Now this is a really good intro for our next stretch, which I'm sure has a bunch of different names, but I like to call it the ballet around the world, okay? And you might see my arms, they're dancer arms, but you can just keep them straight if you want. So we're gonna reach to the side, and then you're gonna go around, down, around to the other side, and then back up. And then we're gonna switch and go the other way. Side, around, down, around, side, and up. Whew. Really get that torso nice and loose and flexible, okay? Next, we're gonna do a lateral lunge. You know, wide stance, and you know, to get down to this, you may need to use your hands to get to the floor, that's okay. And then we're gonna bend one knee and come over to the side like this, all right? Try to keep your feet parallel and your posture straight, your back straight, and then walk yourself over to the other side. We're gonna do 15 seconds each side. If you wanna challenge yourself, you could try for a balance here. All right? And then let's go to our next one. Our last stretch is going to be lying on the floor, kind of like a little mermaid, but we're going to be doing a lying quad stretch. So for support, come down to your forearm, straighten your legs, and then bend the leg that's on top, bend the leg that's on top, grab the ankle if you can, and stretch. You should be feeling that right here in the quad, all right? And we will hold for 30 seconds, all right? That's our demo, let's get into it. Okay, starting with the windmill. Wide stance, a little bit wider than your hips, arms out, right hand to left foot. Let's go. 30 seconds. And we can hold a little when you get down so you can feel the stretch. Up, left to right, hold. Up and down again. The reason we want to hold a little bit when we come down is so we give your muscle a chance to actually stretch it and feel the movement. All right. When we do this, remember your posture when you come up, and then back down. Engaging your core. This takes, you know, balance and stability, so make sure your muscles are tight. This is the last one. Stretch, up, and done. Awesome. Now we have our ballet around the world. So again, stay in the same wide stance you were before, arms out, and we're gonna reach to our side. Side, and then down. This can be like a fluid movement if you want, a continuous movement. And then over to the other side, breathing. Staying mindful of your posture and your hips, all that good stuff, and we're just gonna keep switching sides like this. Center, and this is gonna be our last one, so let's make it count. Ooh. And over, very good. So now we are going into our lateral lunge stretch. Again, in that wide stance, maybe a little bit wider than you just were. And if you need, remember you can come down to the floor and walk yourself out. But if not, you can just challenge yourself and go down. So let's start now. Here, remember to keep a straight posture. Your back should be straight, even though you are a little bit forward. Engaging your core. Almost done. All right, next side. Walk it over if you need to. Always listen to your body. Make modifications if it's necessary. It's more important to keep your body healthy than to do something right off the bat. Should be feeling this right here. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, done. Whew. Now we're gonna take it to the floor for our last stretch, the lying quad stretch. Coming down to your forearm, straight legs, bend the top leg, and hold for 30 seconds. You should be feeling this in your quad. And I honestly feel it a little bit here too. A little bit here because, you know, you are curved up. So remember to breathe. Switching sides in 3, 2, 1, release. Great. Swing your legs over to the next side. Woo. Coming down to that forearm. Straight legs, bend, and hold. Remembering your breath. With every exhale, you could try to go a little bit deeper in your stretch. Ooh, remember your shoulders down, correct posture. Almost done. This should feel good, okay? 3, 2, 1, release. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed that feel-good stretch. I know I did. Click the link below for more videos, recipes, workouts with me, Coach Grace, Coach Sam. We have it all. Subscribe and check it out.